Hey YouTube, it's Sean. We're back on this here UST 1350 generator, and I say off with its head, right? I got all the bolts loose in the head, got the valve train, lifters, everything removed. So let's see if this thing will come loose. You can take the first look along with me. Let's see what we got. I left the muffler attached, but I did take the carburetor and the breather, the air cleaner, everything off there. Let's see what we got. Piston looks good. I want to take a look at that head gasket and see if we need to replace that. Got some cooties in there. Let's take it out on the table and see what we got, guys. Alright, let's turn you over here. Yeah, let's turn you back. There you go. Yeah, that needs to be cleaned out really bad. And I'm going to take these valves out and lap them and clean all this crap off of them. These valves are really easy to take out. Really easy. I don't think I can get them out one-handed. Nah. Almost did, but not quite. Let's see if we can turn it around and gain anything. There we go. Yeah, they're pretty soft springs. Hang on, guys. I'll put you right here. Let's see if I can get this valve out of here. Let you take a look at it. Ain't gonna happen. Those things are stuck hard. Might actually have to whack them with a hammer, I'm not sure. Yeah, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen, guys. Those are gonna take a little bit of time to get out of there. But I can do this. I can lift them up. Ain't much you can see though. Well, they move free. There's a lot of carbon. This thing was boiling over full of oil. Way too full of oil when I got it. I'm not surprised it was burning oil, because it was too full. Way too full. But we're going to clean this chamber out. We're going to lap these valves. Make it the way it's supposed to be, right? Alright, so off with its head. Figured I'd better do that. Surprisingly though, the piston, it has a little bit of carbon built up, but it's just in places, you know. So let's see what the bore looks like, guys. If we can do that without shaking you around too much, right? This isn't a tripod job. Just not something you can use a tripod for. Wow, she doesn't want to turn. Oh, I understand why. We got those push rods in there. Anyway, let's turn this down. Looks like we got some carbon in build up. in the cylinder, I'm not really surprised at all. Yeah, that's just, you know, oil burning. And I'm not surprised it burned oil, because when I pulled the oil plug on the side of the engine, it flooded out. So it was way over full of oil. However, the bore, it feels smooth. Feels really, really smooth. Just feels like it needs to be cleaned up, because somebody overfilled it with oil, right? Okay. And I know who that somebody is. But there you go, guys. Just a lot of cleaning, right? Exterior of the block as well, you know. It's just all soft. That can be taken off pretty easily, right? And we got a little bit of mud splatter on the bottom. No big deal. So let's make this into a actual usable generator, guys. Alright, so off with it, Ted. Part 3. So you guys take care, and we'll catch you next time. When I get the parts in, we'll let you know. And take it easy, guys. Remember, if you watch it, thumb it up. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye.